This is a short video tutorial showing you how to upload your 23andMe DNA results in order to generate an automated report at Irish Origins, and it also includes a sample report. So if you look at your 23andMe results, what you notice is that some of your autosomal genetic relatives record ancestral information, as in surnames and locations. That ancestral detail is not random and can reflect the relationships that developed among your various Irish ancestral lines in specific locations within Ireland. What the Irish Origins Autosomal Program does is it analyzes that information, it identifies DNA hotspots within Ireland, and it then links your Irish surname with a DNA revealed location. So step 1, you need to click the Autosomal button on the home page. Step 2, you need to open a new browser window and you need to log into your 23andMe DNA results. Step 3, you click the Ancestry button on the 23andMe results page and then select the DNA Relatives button from the drop-down menu. Step 4, you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Request DNA Relatives Data Download button. That file will pop up on your downloads on the downloads window, and what you merely do is you drag that file from downloads into the automated analysis program, as illustrated here. Step 6, you enter your ancestral surnames. You then enter your email address, because a copy of this report will be emailed to you, and then you simply click here to analyze. So the report is broken down to a number of parts. In the first part, you can see how many of your genetic relatives are revealing ancestral information. In this instance, about 37.9%. In the second part, the report identifies DNA hotspots based on all those surnames that are recorded by your genetic relatives. And in this instance here, Cork, Mayo, and Galway stand out as Irish DNA hotspots. And you can then place the cursor over one of the counties to find a bit more information. Now, since County Cork emerges as the most notable DNA hotspot, it's examined in more detail by the report. And what you can do is you can place the cursor over the area of interest and you can see the surnames that are revealed and the amount of shared DNA with that genetic relative. In the final part of the report, it links each ancestral surname with a DNA revealed hotspot. So you can see here many of these link back to the most notable location within County Cork. And you can also place a cursor over the area of interest to see the amount of shared DNA in each location. An automated autosomal DNA report costs $34.99. Now, the payment is safe and secure. It's handled by Stripe, and the report is completely confidential. The website is also GDPR compliant, so any uploaded files cannot be used or viewed, and are deleted shortly after the analysis is complete.